Hi everyone, I'm Meena here from KRITHI Car Care, and today we have BMW 320d, and this car is almost close to around 13 years old, and we are going to do a ceramic coating on this car. As you can see, the car has a lot of swirl marks, scratches, and the car also looks dull. So we are going to give a new look to this car. Since the car is 12 years old, it has a lot of watermarks, salt deposits, or swirl marks, scratches on the car, for which the first step that we start is with decontaminating the surfaces and then thoroughly washing the car. The first step towards the detailing of the car is, post decontamination, sanding of the car. Now we are going to sand the entire car since the car has a lot of swirl marks and scratches. Post sanding, we have to thoroughly polish the entire car, and in this car we will do a 3-step polish. Once polishing is done, we will again wash the car, clean all the residues, and once cleaning is done, we will then apply the ceramic coating for the car. The key for any ceramic coating durability is, how the foundation or preparation of the surfaces has been done for the car, which plays a very key role, and any compromise or shortchanging on the process will not let you have a longer durability on ceramic coating. Post ceramic coating, the shine is back on the car and it looks like a new car now. Apart from ceramic coating, we also do PPF, wheel balancing alignment, general repairs, and body shop. In body shop, we also do panel repairs, accidental repairs, full body, and vintage cars. So do reach out to us in case you have anything for your cars, and do subscribe to our channel, like and share as well.